Hi guys, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we are trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. And if you want to see how I got this look with this thing, keep watching. But first, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And if you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you left a comment or even gave me a thumbs up. And finally, don't forget to ring the bell so that you can be notified of all my future uploads. All right, you guys, let's dive right in. So I have had this for about a year. I got it for Christmas last year. Sorry, there's hair all over it. I use it. But this is the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer brush thing. And I am seeing that right now. Usually it's about $60, but right now at Target.com, it is $35.99 for the pink and black one. Hot Tools makes one. There are a few different ones out there. I gotta tell you guys, I love this. So my hair is, well, listen, the last video I filmed took way longer than I meant for it to, so my hair got much drier than I wanted it to, but that's okay. I'm gonna kind of start from this damp hair and go from there, but it does have off, cool, low, and high, and we're gonna use it on the high setting to just go in sections. So I feel like this works best when you do sections at a time, so I'm gonna clip my hair up out of the way. I do have naturally straight hair, but it's not like stick straight, you know. It is just looks, you know, like this. So here we go. This does work best if you do allow your hair to air dry some first. I would just, you know, get out of the shower, do all the rest of my stuff first, and then come to this. Put some product in first and then come back. I did put like some thickening goop in my hair, but that's the only product that I used. So it works best to take it in small sections. I'm just curling it under because that is what I like. And as you can see, it's just a really nice, smooth, straight, dry situation. And I did not need a brush. I didn't need any of that. I love this because it's like blow drying with a round brush, only you only need one hand. And that is super, super awesome. All right, let's keep going. Once I get the bottom sections done, I just leave them down and just take down the next section and just do it on top of there. That seems to work well for me. I don't try to clip it back or anything like that. And I usually do about 3 sections. I'll do the very bottom, the middle, and then the crown of my hair. If you're digging my kind of grunge makeup look today, I did film a get ready with me video on how I did it. And if you're digging these lashes, they are the new Kiss Falscara extension kit thingy, which I really struggled with, and that's a funny video to watch. So, and you can get my thoughts. All right, I'm just gonna keep going, same thing. Right, so there's the next layer, and it does work best just to go in little small pieces. And really the key to this is to let it air dry some. This is not like a full out blow dryer. You're not gonna be happy with the results if you don't let it air dry a little bit. Mine is way more dry than I usually get. You could definitely have it wet, but like I said, that eyelash video went so wrong and my hair got way drier than I wanted it to during that time. All right, just going in with the final bit. this like plaid shirt on and this grungy makeup look. I'm gonna go center part, I think, and just take this sucker right back to 10th grade. I am feeling it for sure. Let's just go straight up 90s right now. Gray hair in the part and all. I don't know if I can get a full out center part anymore. My little hair doesn't want to part straight down the center. There we go. Got it. Gotcha. Ha! Definitely gonna go in and hit it with my little brown covering the gray powder when I'm done with this. And while I've got it here and it's still slightly damp, I am going to go in with some smoothing cream. This is the Marc Anthony Smoothing Cocktail Sleek and Straight. It's like half styling cream and half glossing lotion, and I honestly don't know the difference between those two things. So we're going to just, and it's got this like double thingy. I don't know. We're going to just squeeze it on there. It was at Walgreens on sale, so that's what we have. Just going in with the smoothing cream part. This thing definitely gives me volume when I blow dry my hair, which is really nice, and it lasts, and it really does not take long. It takes about 10 minutes to fully do my hair with this. So let's finish her up. You can see it, you know, kind of curls the ends under, or you can flip them up if you want to. This does just as much for my hair as honestly using a straightener or like using the InStyler to straighten it. It really does almost the exact same thing, which is cool, and in a fraction of the time. So once I'm done doing the whole thing, I will go in on the cool setting and just hit it all with the cool setting to kind of cool everything down quickly and close the follicle or whatever it is that happens. Science. Okay, so let's do that. Hi guys, it's me. So I was recording like 4 or 5 different videos this day, all based around this look. So apparently I never recorded an ending to this video. So here's some footage of me posing for what would later become thumbnail pictures. I think this product is awesome. It is a great price. I don't know how one of the more expensive ones could be better, to be quite honest with you. So thank you so much for going on this adventure with me today. It has been a lot of fun. Keep coming back. Take care of you.